Wake up, everybody, no more sleeping in bed, no more back thinking time.
Boy Fate Kent with the word. What is true soldiership in the spiritual world? And the spiritual things of soldiership, it's easy to be upset, depressed, angry, and all of these things. It's easy to do those things. But in true spiritual soldiership, you stand strong when all these things come. When everybody else is negative, you stand positive. When everybody else is full of drama, you stand outside of drama. True spiritual soldiership is standing in who you are, not just going with the flow of what everybody else is doing, but you start your own battle and you win as long as you stand your grounds. That's what it's all about. It's not about joining the party that's fallen, but it's about standing your grounds and being victorious. When everybody around you is negative, you stand strong. When the world around you is tumbling, you stand strong. That's what it's about. It's about praying about it, forget about it, and using your daily maintenance so you know how to use the weapons that we've all been given. So there it is. True spiritual soldiership is standing your grounds in who you are, not going with the flow of what everybody else is doing, but you become the flow that everybody sees. There it is. Peace and blessings.
The world won't get no better. We gotta change it.